To change wallpaper on iPhone 17 Pro Max, just go to the settings, and now you have to go below into the wallpaper settings. So here, as you can see, you can find multiple wallpaper pairs, so you can quickly change them. But if you want to get completely new wallpapers, you will have to go for the empty space and click plus. First of all, you are selecting the lock screen wallpaper. So here you can find a lot of default wallpapers, and if you open, for example, the iOS 26, you can find the different wallpapers for iOS 26. You can also set a custom wallpaper by clicking here on the photos, pick any photo that you want. Now wait for this. You can still add some filters to change a look of your wallpaper and click add in the right upper corner. Now as you can see, if we don't change that option at the bottom, you will get the same wallpaper on your home screen, but it will be with the blurred effect. So if you want to get a different wallpaper on your home screen, you have to click customize home screen, and you can just pick any color that you want by clicking here, or you can also go into the photos and set a custom wallpaper from your smartphone, for example this one. And now you have to click down in the right upper corner, click down again, and here you can see that you got different wallpaper for the lock screen and the home screen.